She has scoured the city for the newest and most exciting fashion, food, and so much more. Please welcome Flair's Toronto localist at large. We love when she comes to visit, the beautiful Gracie Carroll. Good morning, Gracie.
Good morning.
I'm so excited to get into these things. Really
Yes.
unique items.
Me too.
Where shall we begin?
Okay, let's start over here because it involves food, and that's what everyone loves, especially on a Thursday. This is a new food festival that's come to the city, brought to us by Estrella Dam, and it's called the Tapas Journey. So 20 great restaurants in the city are participating. This is from Marvin.
It's all little bites.
All little bites, but great portions, as you can see. It's the restaurant's take on tapas, so not necessarily Spanish, and you get 3 plus a beer for $20.
Is this watermelon, and what's that other thing? Tuna?
Yes, tuna and watermelon.
Wow.
This is a strawberry gazpacho, and then a poached duck egg. And you can try all of that with a beer for 20 bucks.
This is a poached duck egg?
It
No.
is.
Oh, really?
It sure is.
Okay, very cool. And then over here, you have to wash it down, really.
Exactly. So like the Good Son, Salt on Ossington, Carmen, there's tons of great restaurants.
Very cool. So this is all part of the Tapas Journey. So it's sort of like a Summerlicious, Winterlicious, but it's just for quick bites and drinks.
That's right. So you can try multiple restaurants if you want to without blowing your budget, and I really love that as a foodie, to try new places, because there's so many new places to try and so many great restaurants participating.
Okay, now so many people I know have, succumbed to that will to get some sort of tattoo. They're teenagers, they think something's really cool, and they regret it now.
Yes.
So you have a solution for that. If you think you might want to try getting some ink, but you're worried you're going to get sick of it, this is temporary. It's temporary permanent, 2 weeks.
Yes, this is, it looks like it's real, but it only lasts 2 weeks, which is great. So you can try tons of different things, or you can test out an idea of what you're thinking of getting or where you're thinking of getting it. This is a really cool story. It's 2 brothers. They're actually based in the Ryerson Incubator, and they're blowing up, so I would suggest marking them down and remembering them so you can say you knew them when. This is an example. I have them here on my finger and arm.
Okay.
So it looks pretty real, I would say, and you just take a stencil of what you want.
Pain-free.
Pain-free, apply it to your skin, and then you take the ink and you just fill it in, and then it does take an hour and a half to dry.
You have to stay still.
You have to stay still. That's the downside. Someone like me who has trouble moving around, this could happen.
Right.
But now they have a Kickstarter going on to bring their new product to the market. So it's going to be a patch like this. You apply to your arm. It will take 10 minutes, and it will still look great, and then obviously applying it will be a lot easier.
Is it safe? Is it organic? Do we know?
Yes, it's totally organic.
Okay.
It's all natural, which is really, really great. And an exciting thing too is their Kickstarter, their goal was 20,000. They're at 220,000 now. So there's about until the end of the month to get in on their Kickstarter. So I would definitely suggest taking part in this amazing story. It's a success story from Toronto for sure.
Okay, very cool. What is this here?
Express Facials, the first quickie facial bar to come to Toronto. I'm really excited about this. I'm sure for you as well, for someone who's really busy, want great skincare, but you don't have 2 hours to get a facial. So this is kind of like going to a mani-pedi bar, except that everyone there sitting around is getting facials. So you don't have private rooms, you're just in a chair. Express, 30 minutes in and out. They have 3 different 30-minute facials. They have one, the longest is 60 minutes, so you're just in and out. And the great thing too is they've created all of their own all-natural products that are made in Toronto. And so it is the facial bar by Blitz, which is Body Blitz.
Very smart. With about a minute left, I really want to get to both of these. They're both beautiful. This is for the yogi in your life?
Yes, these are One by Sun. It's a new brand from Toronto. The co-founder is an artist, and so they all feature her amazing watercolors, and then they're printed on the mats. They're printed on Ontario.
So pretty.
They're latex-free and non-toxic dyes as well.
I love elephants. There's a bunch of them here.
It was Save the Elephant Day on August 12th, and so with H Project from Holt Renfrew, with every purchase from this collection, which features stuff from Bricka, Mita Wee, as well as Tanya Taylor, about 10% of proceeds will go to life-saving initiatives for elephants.
I love it. Make sure you guys pick up Flair's September issue, available now and on newsstands, as well as the Next Issue app, and follow Gracie on Instagram and Twitter at Gracie Carroll. Thank you so much, Gracie.